Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I made this curry chicken Jamaican style, so stick around. So I'm going to start off by using 3 leg and thigh cleaned and washed. I'm going to put the seasoning that I use in the description. It's basically onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, curry, and all of that good stuff, but you can check in the description, it will be there. I'm gonna mince half of an onion and half of a scotch bonnet pepper and add that on. I think that this give it more flavor when you add the minced onion, and then added a little bit of oil. You can use olive oil if you want, that would be better. And I'm going to mix this in. I'm gonna ensure that you season all the meat evenly. I'm gonna heat about 4 tablespoons of oil in a pot, and then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of curry powder. I am using the Irie brand curry powder. It's really good. I think it gives the curry a good color. Then after that is burnt, I'm going to add it to my pot, and then I'm going to stir it. It's best not to add water to your curry till about 7 minutes, because you want it to build its own juices. You want to get all of those good juices out, so you don't add water to your pot at the same time. You're just gonna stir that and cover it for about 7 minutes, as I said. After 7 minutes, it should look something like this. You're gonna stir your pot, and then you're gonna add some water. You're gonna add about 2 cups of water to your curry, and then you're gonna let it simmer down for another 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes for the meat to actually cook. After the meat is well done to your preference, you're gonna add the remaining minced onion, and for the seasoning that I add, I'm gonna put it in the description. And I found out that when I add these to my curry, it makes it so much better, and it gives it a thick consistency. So this is very important to add to your curry. As I said, the amount that I use, I'm going to put in the description so you can look at that. After I added all the seasoning, I'm going to add some Maggi all-purpose, or if you don't have Maggi, you can just add a little bit of salt to your liking, and then you can taste it and see if it's the perfect taste that you want. After that, I'm gonna cover it and let it simmer for about 7 minutes. I'm then gonna dish out my dinner. I did eat it with some rice and peas and some vegetable, and listen, this curry was so good. I love cooking me some curry. Jamaican style curry is one of the best, and if you have not tried it yet, please go ahead and save this video and try this curry because it's so good. Once again, guys, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at VenTheFoodaholic, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.